Hi, Hayde. This is the Wii drawer, and this is the remote which charges up inside there. So you got 3 remotes, but you need the remote to make this work, and we need to leave the pencil connected to the back of this, otherwise it won't work anymore. All right, so this is your pencil, and this is your where you draw. Alright, and there's buttons on the pencil, which all truth, Hayde, I've never played it before, I don't know, but I think you'll have fun finding out. If you press these buttons, the screen will zoom in and out, so you can make the colors really close or really far. And so if you press that one, it erases. So if you press that one, it erases the drawing. You press plus, it makes it go forward. You press number one, and you get a color palette and different kinds of paint. You press number 2, and you press number 2 and you get hues and colors. And to finish the game, you press the power off button and it will just turn off. All right, and I'll show you the car racing game Thursday. All right, and I really, really like what you're doing with that piece of wood, that frame.